Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna restocking my toca fridge because it's a little empty because you can see. So let's restock it. So first we need some things to put in. Okay, here we have a candy. Now we need a small box like this. Yeah, this one. I'll just take some big box we need. Okay, what do we have? Yeah, like this. We have to put here too. Okay, now let's begin. First, we're gonna put some drinks at the up. Okay, some milk and some strawberry milk. I guess so. Yeah, and this one also. Alright, and yeah, we have to put the juices, but we already put. And yeah, this fruit. I don't know what to call this. And I like this because like it's like a Korean drink. Yeah, so nice. I didn't drink it ever, but oh my gosh. Okay, let's just begin. We need one more box. We can take this one. I'm so sorry that my voice has changed because I'm a little sick, but nevertheless, actually I'm trying to buy. I'm not sick. Okay, first we're gonna put fruits. I don't know why because we got here fruits. So yeah, we are. But I have a decision where to put this watermelons. I guess I can put here. Yeah. Oh yeah, some pasta, but we'll just put it afterwards. Okay, some peach. Alright, and apple. Okay, what do we need more? Yeah, some canned food. Uh, I might need some like chicken, some meat, and some fish, and more meat. Let's put this out. And yeah, some what do you call that? Tofu, and some cheese. It's so small, you know. And I don't know what to call this. As a butter. Yeah, and some creamy right over here. We're just gonna put 2 packs because it's so small. Oh yeah, some nuggets, chicken, banana. Oh my god, some. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, some shrimp and some fish sticks and some tato. I don't know what to do. Tato. Both. Um. Okay, here we have some peanuts. Peanuts. Can put here and some banana. I know we have, but no, I'm gonna put. And some chicken. I don't know what to call it. And yeah, this. And you know this one? I literally don't know this trick. See? I literally don't know this trick. But no guys. We can put this thing also, I guess. Yeah. I never used them, but never guys. Okay. Oh yeah, some chocolate. But there okay. Oh, what do we need more things? Oh yeah, popsicle. That's not popsicle, that's actually an ice cream, but yo, I'm a Sigma. Okay. Oh wow, I should put this, but it's for a fancy restaurant and I can't put. We have any this also. Wait a second. I forget to put some vegetables. Oh my gosh, my lord. Uh, oh yeah, we have to put some baby food also. So I guess I'll just put them. Some baby food. Oh yeah. And what do we need? Do we need anything? Um, Snoop. Oh yeah, some health. For health? Okay. I don't know why the sauce is like the ketchup is here. I literally don't know why. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I know guys. And I'm telling you guys just share this video with others who likes to play Toca Boca Bowl. And wow, wait a second. And just share it and watch my videos. Wow, see this cake. How realistic is this? Wow. And yeah, we can put some like trees also outside. I don't want this. Oh no. Oh god. Why is she like laughing like a devil? Sorry. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll just put some like treats because we need them, of course. And what is this? Yeah, I like it. I'm just gonna put this right here. What is this? No boat. Oh wow. Hiding. Yeah, what you do? The world be thriving. No, I don't like croissant. I don't like croissant. I don't like croissant. Oh my gosh. What was that? Okay, no. I was like falling now. I don't want this cucumber here. I've run it, but I don't want it in that place. But let's just first cook this all. For that, we need like a bowl to put that. I guess so. We can put this one. Okay. Yeah, this one. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, okay. You need a thing, a fryer to cook it. Okay. I know it's too huge. What is this thing? No. Where is that? Everything is gone. Where is everything? I don't know where is it. Oh my god. Okay, let's just cook it now. Just put this everything in this thing. I don't want cookies, no. Okay, I'll just fry it last. It's done? Done also? Okay. Weird. Let's just first put these things. I don't know what to call them. Let's just put them. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's. Oh, we're just gonna put that afterwards. Ooh, wow. Okay, just fry these things left to fry. Okay, just put that and some cookies also. Ooh, yeah. Okay, here we cook some cookies. It's not sitting. Yay! We're just gonna give her to eat. Nom 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 nom. She's gonna eat this. Oh, now it's done. Actually, don't need this. We just need this one. Yeah. True this. Also. Okay, let's just put some vegetables. Here we go. Okay, cabbage, flour, some onion, some sweet potato, and some carrot. We'll just put it here. And some eggs. Oh yeah, we need some capsicum. Okay. I guess that's all done. Our fish is done. Oh yeah, we have to put here now. I don't have place. No. No. Should I put here? What about the cake? I don't know what to do. Cake. Just put it here in the rest. So this was the end of the video. I know it's a little bit short, but okay, bye. See you at the next video.